All right, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to kind of do a little video here to keep everyone in the loop as far as what's going on. Right now, currently, Rhythm Print Supply is about 1 year and 5 months old. So this was a shop that we started, and obviously we offer screen print and embroidery. We're going to actually evolve Rhythm into 144's print house. We're actually joining forces with a shop up in Denton, so we can still take care of you guys and still create really cool quality stuff. What's all about to happen in this shop, it's obviously going to look quite different. Yeah, let the transformation begin. I'm gonna spend some time gutting this place out. Just been working on getting this front section out. Here's where we're at. Sunday. So for those who don't know, well, you kind of know by now, Sunday's our day where we all get to work at 144 with nothing else going on. Today's game plan. Got some new 2F body kit stuff here with some Origin fenders. So Dad's gonna work on basically, we've gotten a little bit of a, whatever you call it, with Brandon Schmidt. So we're gonna mount a new front bumper, fix this bracket here, and just kind of rewrap all this stuff and get it looking sweet. Motor oil, pretty sweet. So Dave's gonna throw that in. I also got one more box that I have not opened yet. Let's check this thing out. Jacob Hunt from Dream Tank. He was our next door neighbor at Holley LS Fest. That shit's so cool.
Yeah.
What's up over here?
You know, all natural, vegan friendly soap.
Wow.
Dang. It already smells really good. So yeah, Jacob, Dream Tank. Like mechanic soap. Fiberglass party. All right, so I thought I would show you guys just basically about the 14 front end on a 13 and kind of what we're doing to make that fit. Basically, I've cut out all this little wheel well spot. I chopped off this whole bottom section. This was here, gone. And then the last cut I have to make, which seems to be kind of one of the most important, is so everything here kind of gets trimmed down and really just cut out, but this is the important part. So this section here, we end up cutting kind of all of that down. I think that's kind of the key. Let's compare here. All right, so we're gonna end up cutting all of this out. We're gonna end up cutting all of this out. So as you can see, then we cut down all of this. And then one of the other upgrades we end up doing is pretty much like I was showing you earlier, this thing. So this little side kit here that usually sits out, we end up cutting that off. So I cut just about here-ish to cut that off. And then the last thing that makes it, I guess, kind of just flow a little bit better is this top piece here. So I end up cutting from about here-ish in an arc to here. And that's it. Woo! Got a pile of stuff after all day of cutting. We got the front end put together. So new fenders, new front bumper. Thank you 2F. Other fender. Got our brackets mounted up. Zeus fasteners, so it comes off nice and easy. And yeah, that was one of the goals today, to get some of the new body kit stuff ready. We also got our back bumper mounted up. Just keep hustling. So we're getting ready for Gridlife, Michigan. Almost there. What up, everybody? Welcome to the new 144 print house. This is the official shop of 144's gear. We've joined forces with Lantern Inc. To kind of combine our powers, so everybody gets a little bit, obviously, more attention, quicker turnaround times, and we can just do more while we're doing more. This thing does up to, I think it's 12 colors, as you can see. And today we're gonna screen some new 144 gear. So we're getting that all prepped right now. And then yeah, something here needs to be,
I want to get at least one good one I can leave and go to lunch and feel comfortable that it's getting done right before I leave.
I feel you. Hell yeah, Justin's been printing here 8+ years. Super cool. We're doing a test print right now. Tying it all in. It's like,
Just a little bit more. I don't know how the color is lining up.
dude, I like it.
Still, but
I like it.
looks like maybe the blue needs to come to the right, purple needs to go to the right, up, and that. Up. This gray as well.
Yep. Got all the backs done. The fronts are coming off. They're turning out really, really awesome. Front graphic. Boom. Awesome. All the colorways, all the sponsors. For now, I'm about to go right back to 144, take bumpers to 360 wraps, get the car all dialed in. We're headed to Michigan soon. Time's flying. Got the so you guys see on Sunday, taking this kit to get wrapped. Got some front fenders. Got the front and back bumper. About to head off to 360 wraps to get this stuff re-wrapped. Boom. All right, thank you. All right, dude. Later. Yeah, nice day out here. All done with running around. Got the fuel, got the tires, got the body kit. I'm gonna throw this front bumper on real quick and I'll show you guys around. Boom. So like you guys knew, we got the fenders Front bumper, back bumper, all rewrapped. But man, like, look at the precision. Boom. Fenders. And the back bumper. Look at that. On it there. And on it right there. Huge thanks to 360 Wraps. Yeah, we got all the Accelera tires together. They arrived obviously, and then we went and got them mounted up. And I guess the coolest change we're making on this roundabout is our front tires. So we have the 651 Sports. So we were running the PHI for the fronts, just sizing and availability at the time. But we're gonna try this 230/40/17, 235/40/17 on a 90 treadwear. So these should be fucking grippy and ready to ride. So we'll see. It's been a long push. We moved Rhythm. We updated it to 144's print house, kind of rebranded it. Got new body kit from 2F Performance. Thank you, Paco. Thank you, Chris, over at 2F. Got everything finalized. We're gonna hit the road. We're headed to Gridlife, Michigan. It's gonna be awesome. It's their Midwest event. I can't wait. The endless search for tires continues.